3.14 rolled back incremental garbage collection. It spread fast, faster than any bug report ever could. But here's the truth. As of April 2026, Python 3.14.4 is live, and the release notes tell a completely different story. So let's settle this, once and for all. FAQ 1. What is incremental GC? First question, what does incremental GC actually do? Instead of one giant memory sweep that freezes your app mid-breath, incremental garbage collection handles cyclic garbage in smaller, faster passes. If you're building a GUI, a game, or a high-traffic server, those shorter pauses are the difference between smooth and choppy. Think of it like washing dishes one at a time instead of letting them pile up until the kitchen shuts down. FAQ 2. Why did the rumor spread? So why did the rollback rumor even start? Picture two developers, call them $Slim, Rich147 and $DiligentTech001, comparing benchmark notes at midnight. One notices different timing behavior, the other sees a threshold change, and suddenly, they removed it. But here's where they went wrong. Tuning is not the same as removal. When Python adjusts scheduling or internal memory structures, benchmarks feel different. That's a tweak, not a revert. Online chatter blurred that line fast. Fact check. What the release trail actually shows. Here are the facts. Python 3.14.4 dropped on April 7, 2026. The release material confirms tighter GC scheduling, smaller internal structures, and broader memory performance work. There is no full revert, no removal, no default disable of incremental GC. The feature is very much alive. Rumor grabbed the wheel, but the release notes are the real driver. FAQ 3. Can you control GC behavior yourself? Now, can you reduce or adjust GC behavior in your own project? Absolutely. Python's GC module gives you full control. Check if collection is on with gc.is enabled, pause it with gc.disable, resume with gc.enable, or dial in thresholds for testing. This is powerful for short scripts and benchmarks, but in long-running servers or workers, be careful. Cyclic garbage will pile up quietly and memory use will climb. Don't throw the baby out with the bathwater chasing a cleaner graph. Outro. Strong takeaway. The strongest takeaway? Current evidence shows no broad reversion of incremental GC in Python 3.14 or 3.14.4. Tune GC with care. Measure memory, pause time, and stability against the workload that pays your bills. In this topic, and everyone like it, the truth lives in release notes and repeatable tests, not midnight rumors. Separate the wheat from the chaff, always. Follow Diligent ICT Solutions for more educational content.